Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the account login failed error in Where Winds Meet. This issue is usually caused by network or DNS problems, and this method fixes it fast. First, click on the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter, double-click it and select Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and open Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Then click OK and close all windows. Next, open the search bar again, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. After that, type NET SH winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. After rebooting, launch Where Winds Meet. The login error should now be fixed. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.